My voice is back finally. Actually, guys, I had a sore throat last week and my voice was almost gone. Talking was so painful to me and therefore I wasn't able to release any Friday video. However, we are back right now. Thankfully, my voice is back, and let's now discuss the weekly analysis and let's see now what are the opportunities waiting for us in the upcoming week. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course, and hit the like button, and of course share the video. Also, make sure, guys, to join our free group of Telegram to receive one free signal every day. And also, please be aware of the scammers who are impersonating Xtreme Trader and pretending to be one of them. This is right here, guys, in front of you, the real and authentic link to Xtreme Trader channel on Telegram. This is the only channel, the channel that we have on Telegram. Any other channel than that is definitely a scammer who is pretending to be Xtreme Trader. So again, make sure to join it, and you can find the link in the description below of this video. So now let's discuss what happened in the EURUSD. Actually, my friends, last week, actually, I have sent here a midweek analysis video, and I sent here a signal to sell the EURUSD right here on this level of a previous resistance. And as we can see so far, this signal actually has went in total of 57 pips of profit and currently 11 pips. So what's actually next with the EURUSD? What can we do next? To be honest with you guys, I don't have much to say, because right here, based on the daily chart, as you can see right here, on the weekly chart, we do have right here, of course, this level of a resistance, which already has been respected, as we can see right here. This was the resistance, as we can see, which was also in the past a strong real level of a resistance, even right there. However, recently, the same level of a resistance has been respected, and pay attention, it was also right here a strong key support level back in January 2024, and right now it has become right here a resistance. So the market is indeed respecting those levels, and most likely right now the next candle might actually be a bullish one and start rising again to create a second attempt of the resistance, and afterward the EURUSD will continue the fall. So that being said, I believe that we can actually just keep the same signal and without any changes, maybe a minor change to make our entry right here at the highest level of a resistance, which was also the highest level of a real resistance right here in the past. And remarkably, this resistance right here is actually the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle. So therefore, EURUSD signal, guys, is gonna be almost remain the same. I'm just going to adjust the entry to be right here on this level of a resistance, as I have said earlier, and the entry will be right here at 1.069. We will still sell the EURUSD right from that level, keeping the same take profit level. Not really. I'm going to reduce my take profit level to be right here at the closing price of the candle at this level of a support, which means our take profit level will be equivalent to 130 pips against 40 pips, I would say, of a safe zone. And let me know, please, just edit the take profit level to be at 1.055. So that's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Look at that, my friends. I'm really happy about this signal. I actually have sent again this signal back in the midweek analysis, and check this out. The Pound USD signal has actually went exactly as predicted, and so far running in about, I think, 100 pips. Almost 90 pips of profit. It was really a good signal, and I hope you guys have taken it. But now, what's next with the Pound USD? Is it going to continue the fall? That's the $1,000,000 question. So let me now delete the old signal, and let's now move to the weekly chart and let's analyze this pair. So as we can see right now, from the first side, we can see that the Pound USD is actually approaching this level of a support right here exactly at 1.229. Check this out. So right here, right there exactly, we can notice the fall, and the market has actually made a strong bearish breakout from this level of a key support. And this actually 2 weeks ago we have witnessed right here the bearish breakout candle from this level of a support, and last week also was showing right here a strong red candle, and actually this price action, guys, is indicating for a continuation in the fall. So therefore, most likely the Pound USD will open with the red candle as well by Monday morning, of course, and it will continue the fall toward this level of a previous support. So how many pips is that gonna be? It's gonna be approximately 60 pips. So that means that we can actually expect a pullback to happen by the opening of the market on Monday. Let's now see to the daily chart. Exactly, that's what I'm looking for. Check this out. Right here, exactly. We do have right here, my friends, of course, a previous level of a resistance, which means by Monday morning, the market actually might open with a pullback right here, and this level of a resistance is most likely going to be respected, and the pound USD will continue its journey to continue the fall toward that level of a previous support at 1.230, which means if we open our sell order right here, we can look up for about 80 pips of profit, as you can see right here. However, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging much higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here also at 1.243, which means, my friends, our safe zone is going to be ranging for exactly 40 pips against, I would say, roughly 81 pips of profit. Another confirmation I just found actually is by looking at this level of a support trend line. We can notice right here, my friends, that if we place here a support trend line, we can notice right here exactly the bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line. So therefore, if the pound USD will continue to rise, it might actually respect or actually retest the broken level of a support trend line to become a new resistance trend line, and afterward it will continue to fall. That's awesome. Another confirmation which makes me feel good about this signal. Anyway, let's now move to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD, my friends, was also a good signal. As you can see, it has almost reversed from the take profit level. As you can see, it has been activated from the last midweek analysis video and went in about 70 pips of profit, and so far 15 pips of profit. And look at that, that was perfection. Right here we had, of course, a real level of a resistance, which actually faced right here a fake breakout, and again the same level of a real resistance has indeed been respected. Shows you the power of extreme trader analyzing style, which actually works very well, and I believe it's really one of the best ways to make a living from trading Forex. Now, what's next with the AUDUSD? In fact, we need to delete the old signal, but we are still looking to short this pair. It still looks good for the short for one reason, actually, that the pair, my friends, most likely will continue to fall till it reach the bottom of the support right here at 0.628. Now, as you can see, we had right here, of course, a minor support as well. However, the market has reversed exactly on this level. However, I believe that since we're actually here based on the weekly chart, we actually have right here also a broken level of a support, as we can see exactly at the price of 0.647. And it was also in the past right here a resistance. So there is now good chances that the AUDUSD might make now another pullback, retest the broken level of a resistance and a support as well, and afterward it will continue to fall toward this level of a previous key support. So that means that the pair still has about 127 pips more to go. Now, why am I assuming that the pair is going to continue to fall toward this level of the bottom of the support? Well, pay attention. So right here, of course, we do have right here as a broken level of a channel, or actually a triangle, as we can see. So the market has indeed broke out from that triangle, as we can see. So therefore, if the market will make right here a pullback, it will retest not only the broken level of a support trend line, but the entire channel or a triangle. And that means that surely the market will continue the fall. Also, not to mention that we can actually find here a channel, as we can see. Let me just show it to you, just like this. So therefore, the AUDUSD, my friends, will surely continue respecting this channel, and it has reversed exactly at the edge of the resistance trend line, and therefore it will continue its journey to continue respecting this level of a previous support, and might actually easily make a bearish breakout from this level to continue the fall toward the support right here also as 0.598. So therefore, AUDUSD is surely going to continue the fall, so we need to look for selling this pair. So now, again, the question is where exactly we can sell it. Now, moving to the daily chart, look at that. Right here exactly, we do have right here, of course, the highest level of a real resistance, as we can see exactly at 0.645. And remarkably also that this was, of course, this is not really a real support. This was right here the real level of a support, which was in the past a real level of a resistance. And check this out, it was a strong key support level in the past, making 0.645 actually a perfect level to start selling the AUDUSD, so which means we have to wait for the market to rise to another 40 pips before we can start shorting it, targeting of course the bottom of the support right here as 0.634, expecting at least 106 pips of profit, and a safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance as 0.650, ranging for about 52 pips against 110 pips of profit. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so now USDCAD is actually looks interesting because actually I have sent a signal to buy this pair, but unfortunately it just has failed, and as you can see the pair has already exceeded the safe zone, so therefore this signal has officially failed. Let's now see, my friends, what we can do next with the USDCAD. Now, from the first sight, we can tell that the USDCAD looks good for the sell because we are having here a clear head and shoulders pattern which has been completed based on the 4-hour time frame. But there is an issue with this, and allow me to please to shout to you. So right now, if we look right here, my friends, at the daily chart, and if we would like to make a channel here, as we can see right here, of course, so we have here a channel. Now what we'll do right here is to complete the channel by simply drawing it like that. Now what do we see right here? Now we can see clearly that we had here, of course, a channel. However, the USDCAD has just abandoned that channel, and it seems like it's going to respect the same level of a previous channel, retesting this level, and then it will continue the rise. Therefore, the head and shoulders thing, I don't think it's going to work. I believe that the USDCAD is most likely going to continue the rise. Now, the question is where exactly we can start buying this pair. Now, looking at the left side, however, now we can see right here, of course, that we had here a broken level of a resistance. Let me just be more accurate. Exactly, just like that. Perfect. Right there, of course, we had here the real level of a resistance. Now, all we need to do is simply scroll more to the left, and hopefully we will find a strong level of a support right on the same area. Now, keep scrolling, and as we can see right here, we had the first support right there, as we can see again at 1.371, and right here also we had a support as well, and it was also a key resistance in the past. I would like to keep scrolling more to the left to find any stronger level of a support that I can rely on, and sure enough, right here we have, of course, a real level of a support, and right there exactly another real level of a support. So therefore, that tells us that most likely we can actually wait for the USDCAD to fall to another 37 pips, and we would actually buy the pair exactly right here at the retesting of the channel, plus of course the broken level of a resistance, and of course respecting the previous levels of a broken supports as well. Therefore, buy the USDCAD at 1.371, targeting just right here the highest level of a real resistance where the pair has originally reversed from, which means we can actually expect about 134 pips of profit, and a safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging much lower than the previous key level of a support at 1.365, which means the safe zone will be ranging for about 56 pips against 134 pips of profit. And let's now move to the pound JPY. So here's the pound JPY. Let me just tell you my mistake. Actually, guys, this was a perfect signal, and the pair has indeed reversed exactly 2 times actually from the buy level. However, I think I have actually misplaced the take profit level. Instead of being right here on this level of a resistance, I chose this level of a resistance right here to be our take profit level, and it was somehow a big mistake because the pound JPY has reversed exactly from the given price of the buy exactly at 191.652, and has went back. It went actually all the way in almost 120 pips of profit. Instead of closing it with that amount of profits, unfortunately it just kept falling down, and I think this spike right here happened, not spike, I mean the drop happened here after the Iranian attack on Israel, or actually the opposite way, Israeli attack on Iran. However, it actually has made an impact on the market that day, and as we can see, this is the results of it. However, what's next now with the pound JPY? Let's see, and this time I'm going to choose my take profit level more wisely. Now, looking at the daily chart, we also right here, guys, have a clear channel, And as you can see, the pound GPY is indeed rising and seems like it's actually going to be respecting those levels. And remarkably also, we had right here at least 4 attempts of the support right here happened. Again, remember that we're having here, of course, a channel, and again the pound GPY is indeed respecting it, and this reversal happened right here, shows of course a strong rejection to break out from that level. The longer the tail, the stronger the level. And as you can see, we actually have right here 2 strong tails. Each one is about 82 pips, and the second one is about almost 100 pips, which means it's a strong level of a support, and therefore I believe the pound GPY is going to continue the rise. Now the question is where exactly we can buy this pair. Now, the answer lies in the 1 hour time frame. So right here, guys, on the 1 hour time frame, I would like to highlight that we had right here, of course, a real level of a support exactly right there at 190.851. Now, also right here, it was the previous level of a resistance, as we can see now. However, if we look at the left side, check this out. We had here several attempts of the support, which means this level cannot just simply be ignored. And by looking right here, of course, we had here the drop happened after the Israeli attack on Iran, and as we can see, even though with that drop, with that reaction of the market, still the same level of the support was able to hold the position. So if the pound GPY will continue to fall, I believe that it will actually respect this level of a real support, and it will reverse exactly right on it, and then it will continue the rise. Now, for the take profit level, let's choose wisely where exactly is our take profit level gonna be to make sure that we can actually get profits and make money with this signal. I believe that this is gonna be right here the safest level for the take profit level. If we place here our buy order, let's exit our trade right here at the nearest level of a previous real level of a support, and also a resistance as well. And that means it's not gonna be much, guys. It will be only 73 pips, hopefully gonna be in profit. However, the safe zone this time is gonna be almost the same, not exactly the same, of course. It will be almost 50 pips of a safe zone against 73 pips of profit. Now, of course, I can increase it, but I just really want to secure the profits, guys. I don't want you to get out with any losses, so therefore let's accept a small profit of just I forgot, 73 or 74 pips of profit. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And finally, let's now move to the USDCHF. Alright, so USDCHF, as we can see, guys, it was also running in a very good profit. It was actually respecting that level of a previous resistance as I have predicted, and it went in total of 50, almost 50 pips of profit, and actually kept respecting that level until, of course, we had the Iranian strike on Iran, sorry, the Israeli strike on Iran, and of course it made here a big drop. However, after the drop, the market made a correction, which means the USDCHF is definitely going to continue the rise. Now, to make long story short, I believe that the USDCHF is still going to be good to be bought exactly right here at the level of a previous support, right here exactly at 0.908. Of course, for many reasons. Number one, my friends, that this was, of course, the real level of a support, that even after the huge drop happened right here, the market still was not able to break out from it and instantly started a correction. So therefore, if the pair is gonna ever make any pullbacks, it will definitely be respecting that level of a previous support. Also right here, based again, guys, on the 4 hour time frame, we do have right here, of course, a real level of a support. Check this out. That is, of course, my scalping strategy. So by looking at the support trend line right here, it's gonna definitely be respected right here after the strong bullish breakout candle. Again, the market has a chance to fall all the way right here with a very small drawdown, and then it will again respect the same level of a support plus the support trend line, and then it will continue the rise. So therefore, let's buy the USDCHF exactly from this level. So meaning, let's first of all set our safe zone to be exactly right here at this level of a previous support as 0.904. However, the take profit level this time can actually be placed right here at the highest level of a real resistance, not the fake breakouts, the real level of a support as a resistance as 0.916, which means our take profit level will be equivalent to 87 pips against 41 pips of safe zone. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the USDCHF. And now for the gold, I just wanted to show you my signal from the last week. It was really amazing, and I'm so happy and proud about it. Unfortunately, no one in the comments said anything about it, and that really hurts. It really hurts. Gold, my friends, has reversed exactly from the given price of the buy at 2,368, and as we can see, it went in almost 500 pips of profit. I mean, really, this is amazing. I mean, who does that on YouTube? Keep giving free signals every single week. I'm sure, guys, if we found one, we will find their videos loaded with the comments, but only for one reason. I have no idea what is it. Here in Xtreme Trader, we barely see any comments about that. I really don't know why. I really wish to know the reason. However, it is what it is. I have to accept it, that this is my destiny. Maybe. Anyway, gold was really a good signal, and of course we are no longer analyzing gold in this video. We are making now a separate video for the gold, because we need to talk about the gold, guys. It's gonna be really long discussion, so please stay tuned to the channel and subscribe to it. Tomorrow, Sunday afternoon, I will release a video of analyzing the gold. Stay tuned, guys, and watch the channel to watch that video, and hopefully we will all get together a good decision with the gold. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.